Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a set based on games and tournament. So the question is, there are six teams A through F. They participated in a round robin tournament in which each team played against each of the other team exactly once. So basically, round robin tournament is one tournament in which each team plays against the other team exactly once. So suppose let us assume that there are three teams A, B, and C. So A will play with B and C once only, B will play with A and C once only, and C will play with A and B once only. Fine. So this is round robin tournament. Okay. Further, the tournament was conducted across 5 days, such that each team played exactly one match on each day. Each match ended as a win or lose or a draw. The table below provides information on the results of the matches played by each team. The results for each team are given from left to right in that order in which the team played its matches. Now here the W indicates, the letter W indicates win, L indicates loss, and D indicates a draw. So from this table, we can see that on first day, A won its match. On second day, the match that A played ended in a draw, and so on. But we don't know with whom did A play on first day. A ने first day पे मैच जीता है, but किसके साथ खेला था? That information is not given to us. Fine. Now, question based, which team did A play against on the first day of the tournament? How many matches did B lose before it played against C? So basically, we need to find out A ने first day किसके साथ मैच खेला था, B ने first day किसके साथ मैच खेला था, and so on. Fine. So let us start this question. Okay. Now see, first of all, we need to think of something, some information from where we can start this question. फाइन सो देखिए यहां पर हम देखते हैं इन कॉलम 2 वी हैव टू डीज डी एंड डी नाउ सी ऑन डे 2 टू मैचेस वर ड्रॉ और वो ए और डी के हुए हैं तो दैट सिंपली मींस कि ए और डी ने आपस में मैच खेला होगा दैट मींस ए प्लेड विद डी ऑन सेकंड डे so I can fill this table as A on second day played with D and D on second day played with A. Fine. Now we'll check for these things only. Here also we are getting two D's. So from here we can say that C played with uh, C played with E on third day and E played with C on third day. So C played with E on third day and E played with C. Fine. तो ये भी fill किया जा सकता है. Now let us move to column 4. Again we have two D's. That means there was a match between C and D on fourth day which ended in a draw. So we can say that C played with D on fourth day and D played with C on fourth day. तो इस तरह से हमने ये fill किया है. Now here we have three W's and three L. So we cannot decide or assume कि A किससे जीता होगा या नहीं, right? Now let us move to column 5. Now in column 5 we have one win and one loss. Now B ने एक मैच जीता है, C ने D ने एक मैच हारा है. That means B must have played with D on this particular day. So here B played with D and D must have played with B. Fine. तो ये हमने यहाँ तक fill कर लिया है. Now let us move to column number 3. Now let us move to this column. Fine. Now we can see that C has already played with E and D has already played with A, C and B. Now we are left with two options for D, E and F. Now obviously D cannot play with himself only, right? So see, we cannot place E over here. Why? This question is now simply like a Sudoku. E का थर्ड डे पे एक मैच हो चुका है C के साथ, तो E अब थर्ड डे पे D के साथ नहीं खेल सकते हैं, तो we cannot fill E over here, which simply means that here it must be F. And now we have only one option for E, so it must be here only then. Fine. So इस तरह से हम यहाँ पर ये वाला कॉलम फिल, ये वाली रो हमने फिल कर दी है. तो D के मैचेस we know now कि D on first day played with E, on second day with A, and on third day with F, C, B, and so on. Right? Now from here we can see that on first day D played his match with E. So E must have played with D. So we can fill D over here. And similarly here we can see that D played with F. So F must have played with D. तो ये भी हमने fill कर दिया. Now we are left with these two options. और यहाँ पर हमको क्या fill करना है? C. On third day each of A, B, C, D, E and F played a match. उनमें से हम E, F, C, D को already fill कर चुके हैं. Now we are left with only two options, A and B. Now A cannot play a match with himself. So here it must be B and here it must be A. Fine. So in this way we have completed column number 3. Column number 3 हमने पूरा complete कर लिया है, right? Now see, if we talk about the matches on day 1, so B lost his match. Now it could have been played with either A or D or F, क्योंकि इन्हीं तीनों ने मैचेस जीते हैं, right? But out of A, D and F, we have already filled D over here. Fine. तो यहाँ पर अब D नहीं आ सकता है. Now we are left with only two options, that is either A, but A भी हम fill नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि A से उनका मैच थर्ड को हुआ है. B has played his match with A on third, so now we are left with only one option, that is we can say F. तो यहाँ पर F आएगा. Now if on first day B has played with F, so F must have played with B only, so we can fill this also. Now again we are left with two values only, and the values are A and C. Now obviously A cannot play with himself, so he must have played with C and C must have played with A. Now in this way we have completed column first as well, right? Okay, now again let us use the concept of Sudoku, right? Now in this particular row of C, we need to fill two more values, and the values are B and A, B, C, D and F, right? Now we cannot fill B over here. Why? Because we have already used B in column 5. So B must be over here, और B यहाँ पर आ जाता है, तो here we are left with only one option, that is F. Now if on fifth day C has played with F, so F must have played with C, and here if C has played with B on second day, so B must have played with C. Now talking about column 2, we are left with two values, E and F. Now obviously E must have played with F and F must have played with E. So we have completed second column as well. Now let us move to fifth column, because we have only left with two values here. So the two values are A and E. Now A must have played with E and E must have played with A. So we have completed this also. Now again, using the simple rules of Sudoku, we can fill the remaining values quite easily. Now in column 1, in row 1, we need to fill the values B, C, D, E and F. So we are left with only F. Obviously ये खुद से मैच नहीं खेल सकता, उसके अलावा B, C, D, E, F सबसे मैच खेले होंगे. तो यहाँ पर केवल F का ऑप्शन बचा था, तो I filled F over here. Right? Now using the same logic, A, B should not come here. Okay, so A, C, D, E and F. So only E is left, so we can fill E over here. Fine. Here A, B must come, so we can fill B over here, and in the last column we can simply fill A. So we have completed the whole table. Now we can easily move to the question part. Okay, so first question, which team did A played against on the first day of the tournament? So on the first day A played with C, so the answer is C. How many matches did B lose before it played against E? Now B played with E on day 4. So before day 4, we lost 2 of the matches. So the correct answer is 2. How many teams did not lose any match before they played against A? Now let us check for B. Obviously we won't be checking for A. So B played with A on third day. So before third, it lost matches on first and second day. So we need not to count B. Now let us check for C. C played with A on first day. तो उससे पहले C ने कोई भी मैच नहीं हारा. So we can count C over here. Then let us move to D. D played with A on second day, and before for second day, D ने एक मैच जीता था, तो we can count D as well. D ने कोई भी मैच हारा नहीं है before second, right? Now E played with A on day 5th, and before day 5th it lost his match on day 1st, so we need not to count E. And last F played with A on day 4 and it lost the match on second day, so हम E को F को भी count नहीं करेंगे. So we have two players C and D. So the correct answer to this question is 2 again. If any team won against A, B, C, D, E, F were awarded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 points. So any team who won against A were awarded 1 point, 2 for B, 3 for C and so on. And no points were awarded in any other manner. How many teams would have been awarded more than 5 points? Now let us check for A. So the point for A on day 1 is 0. Sorry, it won from C. So the point winning from C, it got 3 points, right? Then on second day 0, then on third day again 0, and fourth day it won from F. So the point from winning must be 6, right? And then 0 on fifth day as well. So in total we have 9 points. Now let us check for B. So on first day, it lost match 0. Second lost. Third, won from A. Point awarded 1. Lost 0. Last day, won from D. Point awarded 4. In total, 5 points. Fine. Now let us move to C. C के केस में we have only one win, so 0 on first day, and C won from B, so 2 points on winning from B, then 0, then 0, then 0, so total becomes 2. Let us move to D. D won one match only, that is from E. Fine, so 5 points, then 0 and 0 and 0 and 0 on remaining 4 days, so total is 5. Fine, now let us move to E. E won 2 matches, one from F and one from B. So winning from F scored 6 points, winning from B scored 2 points. So total point becomes 8. Now F won from B and D. So 2 points from winning it from B and 4 points from winning it from D. So total becomes 6. Now the question was how many of them scored more than 5 points. So more than 5 we can count F, we can count E, and we can count A. So the correct answer is 3. Fine. So I hope this set is clear to you. Thank you.